An open channel flow always has two sides and a bottom. When the flow satisfies the non-slip condition, there are different types of open channel flow such as triangular channel, trapezoidal channel, natural irregular channel, circular channel, etc. The practical engineering approach is to make a one-dimensional flow approximation for a open channel flow. The weighted perimeter for open channel flow is so much important. These are different from trapezoidal weighted perimeter, triangular, rectangular b plus 2y, here b is width and y is height. Wide flat weighted perimeter is b, circular is ad by 2. The uniform flow for, we know the flow rate is q ab. For such an example, we can see that water at 20 degrees Celsius flows in a 3 cm wide rectangular channel at a depth of 10 cm and the flow rate is 80,000 cm3 per second. Estimate the Froude number, the Reynolds number. According to the rules, we know Froude number is v by c, where v is the velocity of flow and c the velocity of sound. If the number is greater than 1, so the flow will be supercritical flow. If equal to 1, then the flow will be critical flow, and when the Froude number will be less than 1, then the flow will be subcritical flow. Here, rho of water is 998 kg per meter cube. A channel is designed to carry a discharge of 20 meter cube per second with meaning angle 0.05 and bed slope of 1 meter and for trapezoidal channel side slope it is. Find the channel dimension of the most efficient section if the channel is trapezoidal rectangular. The solution is below. Dimension of trapezoidal channel, here the weighted perimeter, wide or breadth, it is so much important. R is the hydraulic radius equals to y by 2, q equal to 1 by n, r to the power 3 s half into a. A is characteristic area. Dimension of a rectangular channel, b equals to 2y, r equals to y by 2. Here r is similar with the trapezoidal channel. A equals to b into y. B equals to 2y. 2y into y equals to 2y square. A equals to 2y square. A V-shaped open channel of included angle 90 degree conveys a discharge of 0.05 meter per second when the depth of flow in the center is 0.225 meter. Assuming the C is given in the checklist column, calculate the slope of the channel. The R equals to A by P. A means area and P means weighted perimeter. It is so much important. Calculate the dimensions of the rectangular cross sections of an open channel which requires minimum area to convey 10 meter cube per second. The slope being is 150. Take the Manning n as 0.013. Here Q is discharge. Dimension of a rectangular channel, R equals to y by 2 is always same. V equals to 2y. Q equals to AB. Q means flow rate, A means area, V means velocity of fluid. And given that n equals to 0.013. V means velocity, Q equals to AB. V equals to 1 by n, R to the power 3, S to the power half. This is the important for flow rate distribution. We can easily find the flow rate using this formula. A power canal of trapezoidal section has to be excavated through hard clay at the least cost. Determine the dimensions of the channel given. Discharge equal to 14 meter per second. Bed slope 1 by 2500. Mannix n equal to 0.02. Here is the solution. Here I is bed slope 1 by 2500. I bed slope. Slopes A. M equals to 1 by root 3. M means mass flow rate. Side or slope mass has to be taken as M. A is area. C is a constant. Determine the most economical section of a rectangular channel carrying water at the rate of 0.0 p. Next, the bed width of a trapezoidal channel section is 40 meter and the side slope is 2 horizontal to 1 vertical. The discharge in the canal is 6 cubics. The means is in 0.015 and the bed slope is 150. Determine the normal depth. Here is the formula. Easily we can calculate similar such like this. Q is always flow rate. Q indicates always the flow rate of this channel. P is the perimeter. B plus 2y root over 1 plus m square. R hydraulic radius area divided by weighted perimeter of the channel. A rectangular channel of width 15 meter has a bed slope I 0.0075 and Mannix in 0.016. Compute the natural depth and carry discharge of 50 meter per second. Here Q equals to Q by N. Flow rate divided by N. Manning's formula is N. We get the per unit flow rate, specific flow rate. Small q is specific flow rate. Capital Q is flow rate. Specific flow rate means per unit volume flow rate. Find the velocity of flow and rate of flow of water through a rectangular channel of 5 meter wide and 2.5 meter depth which is running full. The channel has a bed slope 1 by 1 to 50. Check its formula as constant 50. We know m equals to a by p is the formula. V equals c root over m into I. I means 1 by 1 to 50. M means 1.25. A by p equals to m. C is the constant 50 is given to the question. So the distance will be q is to AB. A into P, V 1.58 equal to 19.75 meter per second. So much easy. Thank you.